I'm going to kill half of them. Yeah, man. So me like it. Alright, baby, turn over upon him and quint it. Quint it up now, baby. Quint it now. Yo, them be what? What the what is? What is? What? Watch me out. I'm going to kill half of them. Baby. See, I want to talk to foolishness, no man. Yeah. That's Cliff a bad enough. I'm sure. Bad boy is Cliff this.
No.
I'm bad boy.
Okay, we now look.
Work it. Oh. Yeah. Oh, man, my nose.